Some days, it's just so hard to pull yourself together. You know which days I'm talking about. I'm showing you my feel-good makeup routine that gets me out of that rut and gets me moving. For me, it's all about livening up my face and looking awake and fresh, including those under eyes. The key for this look is to start with a glowing base to keep everything looking as fresh as possible. With a combination of the Smith & Cult Glow Brite Radiance Primer and the I Do Care Gold Gel Cream, my base is super glowy and ready for a little coverage. I love this stuff. For my foundation, I'm using the Smashbox 15-Hour Hydrating Foundation and using a beauty blender to apply. With that glowing base, I just don't need too much foundation to get the look that I'm going for. Now to tackle the under eyes. First, I'm taking the new Touche Éclat High Cover Radiant Concealer by YSL Beauty, and I'm applying to the areas where I have some darkness. Using my finger, I'm going to stipple the concealer to blend it out. This new formula both covers and brightens with no caking. In just one step, all the darkness is gone. And I'm just adding a touch to the outer corners of my eyes where I have a little darkness, just to really make them appear lifted and awake. And there's caffeine in the product, so it definitely helps with that. And for an extra boost of brightness, I'm taking the classic Touche Éclat and applying this more liberally to really highlight my under eye area. You can use this all over for a luminous brightening effect, so I'm just applying this all over my cheeks and into my cheekbones. And just with a beauty blender, I'm going to blend that out. Next up, I'm taking my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick in Y505 to contour my face and just blending this away with my beauty blender. And now using the Blushing in Bali Blush and Highlight Palette from BH Cosmetics, I'm taking this cool pink blush and popping that color onto my cheeks. This is just such a happy color, it's gonna bring a lot of life to my face. And mixing these two highlighters at the bottom, I'm just gonna lightly brush this across my face as just a finishing touch for that extra glow. And to seal everything in and give my skin a dewy finish, I'm going to spray the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist right onto my face. Now for me to feel like I'm put together, my brows have to be groomed, so I'm using the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer in Soft Brown to make them look a little fuller and just keep them in place. For the eyes, I'm keeping it super simple. To make them look lifted and awake, I'm using the YSL Faux mascara just on my top lashes. This one is called the Curler with that curved wand, so it really gives that extra curling effect. And for the lips, I'm applying the Rimmel Stay Glossy Lip Gloss in Claridge's Ruby. And just for a little extra sparkle, I'm gonna add Dorchester Rose on top. You know, feeling good, of course, comes from within, but on the days when you just can't get yourself going, slapping on a little makeup really gives you the boost you need to get started. I'm not doing much to my hair, I'm just gonna give it a little zhuzh and just gonna fluff it up a little bit. And look, she's feeling better already. Just grab your favorite fragrance, something that puts you in a good mood, and go off and have a good day.